Yo, what is good? Welcome back to krabstrades. Today we're back testing NQ. We're on week number 4 of February 2022. So let's get into it. Gonna be doing Monday through Friday here. It is a bank holiday on Monday, so actually we're gonna do Tuesday to Friday and then Monday as well. So yeah, we're gonna be starting here on Tuesday. We got no news, no red folder news. Wednesday no news. Thursday 8:30. And Friday 8:30 news. So yeah, let's get into it. And yeah, if you guys aren't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that sub button real quick. Help me reach my goal of 1,000 subs by the end of this year. I think it's definitely possible. But yeah, all that aside, let's get into it. Right now sitting at around 70% win rate, 68% win rate for 25 trades. So we're gonna keep back testing this and we're gonna see if we can hold that or increase it. January was very good. February a little bit slower, but we're still up. Had a good week last week. And yeah, I'm only risking 0.5%. So overall, stats are pretty good. Just a slower month in February for sure. Had a rough week here. But yeah, let's get into it. Hop on the 15-minute time frame. Oh wait, actually, this is Monday, so we're gonna skip to Tuesday. Alright, let's hop on 15-minute. Gonna mark up session highs and lows. Let's see what we left. Looks like we have sweep here of Asia. Asia was swept. We have London low resting below, as well as previous day's low as well. Right there, previous day's low. Above here we have previous day high, which is also London high. Let's mark that up. And we're also gonna mark these up on yes as well, in case we get a SMT or something. Right there's London low and then previous day low. Right there. Looking at this right now, it looks like we're kind of accumulating here after a big move, big overnight move, which makes the AM session a little bit worse if we have a big move like this in the overnight session, but it's alright. We'll see if we can break out of this accumulation. Top on the daily. Let's determine higher time frame bias. Looks like we did have this new day open gap right here, or new week open gap that we already tapped into. I believe it's a new week. Yeah, new week open gap here. Could be a good draw because we did not fully fill this in, I believe. Could still fill it in more. We did tap into it already though, so we could react for lower prices. Looks like I forgot to clear this. Do have this daily unfilled for value gap right there. Did take out this low. We have a SMT here, higher time frame, pretty significant SMT of that daily liquidity pool, which was also a weekly swing low, so I could definitely see us having a run higher right now. Also holding this weekly gap, so yeah, I am more bullish based on that. Do have this weekly sell side resting there. Let's go down to the 4 hour. It looks like could be a breaker here. High, low, high, low, low. Kind of breaker area here that's held in the past as well on the 4 hour. We'll keep this in mind. Top on hourly. Also right now holding this bearish breaker area on the hourly. Do have this unfilled hourly below as well. Hourly OB here. Hourly unfilled gap was tapped here on ES. Have this bullish OB. Check the 15-minute again. So I do want to see us take out this low. Could get longs. Looks like we do have equal highs, maybe. No, not equal. But we do have this like LRL here. So let's go to 5-minute. Right now we do have a SMT at this low. I am leaning more bullish. Equal highs as well. Right there. So let's see how we open up. Do like longs more. Yes, tap that hourly gap. We'll see if we can get long here. I'm gonna take this 1 minute if we get it towards the equal highs. Looks really good here. If we can get this inversion. Let's see if we get it. Alright, they get it. So I'm gonna probably we did tap this 15-minute though. But we did give the run lower. See, this is a 3-minute. Let's see. Close at 39. It's also a 5-minute. I'm like tripping. Close at 40. Alright. Target taken, no entry. New week open gap tapped. Unfortunate, no entry there. Looks like previous day high could be the draw here. I did want the long here, but no entry. This was a 5-minute inversion here. Close way too high to enter. Tapping this hourly OB. Looks like draws clear though. We are tapping a 4-hour order block here, as well as that 4-hour breaker area. I do still think the draw on liquidity is higher though. Let's see if we tap into this 5-minute. Could get a continuation model for longs. Yeah, I want to see us tap into this 15-minute right here and then get longs off of that. However, I don't like how this looks like a bearish AMD. Don't like that, but let's see if we can get a run lower a little bit more. Didn't like how we didn't tap into this 15. So based on my rules, I can't long before that. Nice SMT here. Also, ES did not even have a 15-minute. Pretty close now to previous day high and London high. Minute here. Alright, now give me the long. Tapped into the 15. We got still 9 minutes. If we get this 1 minute, I'm gonna take the long. Yeah, nothing there. So yeah, no setups there. There was not even a short opportunity. This 5-minute short was not good. Firstly, stop loss will be cooked. Stop loss would have to be pretty high. High, low, high, high, low, low. Maybe above this breaker. Yeah. So no trade day here. It was a setup, but it was very mid. It's 5-minute inversion short. I wasn't even thinking of shorts, but it wasn't even valid because we're also in another 5 minutes, so didn't even look good. And draw looked to be previous day high here. Looked pretty obvious. Didn't want to short till that was hit. So yeah, no trade day here. I'm gonna skip over to the next day now. Alright, Let's hop on the 15. Mark out session highs and lows. Looks like we got a London high. Previous day high right there. London low still resting below. As well as Asia. I don't think it's a SMT, so I do think this was a Asia Judas. New York reversal here. Manipulation. I think we could run lower, or if at market open we could run out this London high, then run down these two session liquidities. But I mean, we do have previous day high there as well. So yeah, let's mark this up on ES. Looks like we don't have any session SMTs here. Daily unfilled fair value gap. Nice SMT here. I'm pretty bullish. Higher time frame. Took out this low. Yes, didn't think we could run higher towards this daily. Looking at the 4-hour, respecting bullish PD raise here on NQ. 4-hour FEG respected. Inverse this. We have this 4-hour low resistance liquidity. Looks really good for longs. Also a 4-hour unfilled fair value gap there. So longs look good. Looking at the lower time frame. Do have some LR generation below as well, these stacked lows. Looks like we held this hourly OB in the past. It's kind of low though. Inverse this 15. We're holding this 15-minute fair value gap here, as well as this order block. So yeah, we'll see how we open up. We do have these stack lows as well, so we'll see what we sweep out first. But yeah, mixed bias, more bullish higher time frame, but a little bit mixed bias for right now. Let's also mark up true day open before we forget. Right there. Can mark that on ES as well. Kind of got this breaker area I'm gonna keep in mind though. But I think we are good for longs now. This 2-minute looks pretty good. See if we can get this inversion. $10 a.m. is about to open up though. Nice AMD potentially as well. Accumulation here. Let's see if we got any equal highs or anything. Yeah, nice sets of equal highs here as well. Longs look good. See this range. See the higher time frame range. Projecting equilibrium. Equilibrium rebalanced. All right. Discount. 10 a.m. open in 2 minutes though. Let's see. Do want to see some manipulation here, so I'm not going to take this. Also, I want to see how 10 a.m. opens. Yeah, W discipline. No manipulation, also 10 a.m. open. But now I do like the long. Yes, also took that out. Let's see if we get this. However, now we do have this sell side. Kind of want to see get swept before longing. Sweep of the high rejection of this OB would be nice for longs. But I feel like long right now is a little bit too early. We don't have any sweep of anything. So this is all a breaker. Right there. Yeah, so this looks like the draw right now looks pretty clear. Intermediate term low here on the 15. Do now have this 15-minute unfilled gap above, which I want to see get tapped into before shorting. Some T. Tap into this 5-minute. Some T did not hold here. SMT at the low as well though. Alright, give me a long. See if this breaker holds. 15-minute unfilled here. I'll take this 4-minute if we can get it. Looks like could be drawing towards this low. Might flip bias here. Yeah, this hourly looks like the draw now, but I still want to see us tap into like a 15-minute for value gap or something before shorting. But yeah, not much I liked here at all. Past 11 now. We'll go next day. So far, no trades taken on the week. Pretty boring, but nothing I see is A+, so not going to take anything that's not A+. So yeah, so far, no trades. Let's go to Thursday. Also, there was no news days. No red folders here, so a little bit slower PA. Here we have some 8:30 news. Should be a little bit better. Price action, we'll see, but let's hop on the 15. Looks like we're still selling off a bit. Just gonna mark up these session highs and lows. Asia, London. London low left behind as well, no SMT there. We are closing below previous day's low. Up here we got Asia high. See the daily. Looks like we're pretty bearish towards this daily sell side, so I'm not going to be long till we take that out. This is also a weekly sell side. Weekly swing low. Right there. So it draws obviously lower. Daily bearish will be here. This is SMT. No, it's not. See 4 hour. Do have this kind of like new day open gap, looks like. And new day open gap. Or actually, it's not really a new day open gap. This candle's still open, but it is like 4-hour imbalance. I'm not gonna mark that up. London high is also a 4-hour unfilled for value gap. To hourly. Looks like we're just chopping right now. Looks like we had a big move on Wednesday. Just been accumulating here after the sell-off. Looks like we've been respecting this bearish hourly order block. And wicking out of there. London low could be the draw here. Looking at this. Yeah, I'm bearish right now. Rejecting OP. We are generating liquidity here. So yeah, I'm bearish towards the sell side. I don't want to be longing until we take out that sell side on the weekly. It's just we're so close. So I'm not going to long until then. Unless we get something super obvious that we want to. Maybe SMT or something. But yeah, no longs. Let's see, 5-minute. Yeah, nice LR generation above. Low resistance, trendline liquidity. All these stacked highs have stop losses above them. Could see a run of that later. Alright, let's see how we open up. 9:30 a.m. 8:30. News did nothing. February 24th. 2022. I mean, it is technically data wick. It's not an obvious one, so I'm not gonna put like a lot of emphasis on it, but it is still a data wick here. Data low, news low. So yeah, we're gonna keep that in mind. News did absolutely nothing though. 16-point news candle. Interesting. Alright, let's mark up true day open. The midnight open. Right here. TDO is above. Alright. Alright, nice. See how we open up. Alright, instant run higher, running this low resistance liquidity, tap into true day open. I want to see London hit here in this 4-hour unfilled gap for us to take shorts down. Shorts look super good after that. That would also be a nice AMD here of this accumulation. But yeah, also leaving behind this 9:30 wick, which I really like. Right there. See if we can run out that high. Alright, nice. The shorts here are A+. If we can get a short, that lows, London lows. Higher time frame weekly sell side blow. Super good shorts if we can get any shorts here. Alright, let's see what we get. Any inversions. Also, this is a nice SMT. Higher time frame, external SMT. SMT with London high. Session SMT, pretty significant. Also got a run of this low resistance liquidity. A 5-minute for value gap here, unfilled. Let's see if we can get an entry here. Alright, so I'm gonna take this 2-minute if we can get it, this short. Let's see if we get it. Did not inverse. Let's see if we get another short. SMT here would be nice. Internal SMT. Or not. This is a little 5-minute. A little 5-minute gap. I'll short that if we inverse. Looks like we're holding it. Let's see if we inversed 1002. I mean, this 5 minutes tiny. I really don't even care about it too much. If we get this 4-minute inversion. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna short this. 4-minute. This 4-minute looks really good, but it is also this tiny 5-minute for value gap. Also, we're tapping this hourly OP right here. So this does look good. 5-minute inverse is tiny. But based on my rules, we will wait for that to get inverse since it is the highest time frame. Also, inverse of that and a retap would be nice. So yeah, let's see. Alright, now 5-minute inversed. So let's see if we can get in on this on a limit. Actually, we might just hop in right here. Stop is a bit high. I don't like that we don't have a SMT here, but the setup overall looks really good. So yeah, we'll try it. So yeah, stop right there. TP1 at this 15-minute. SMT at the high. SMT of London tapped into this order block on the hourly, this wick right here. Tapped in. Also this hourly gap. Bearish for value gap right here. This looks pretty free, at least down to that 15-minute. So yeah, should be at least a break even here. And let's see if this is a 101 here. Almost. But yeah, it looks good. Try this pretty high up in a premium as well. Let's mark up this leg. A nice premium of the range. Let's also mark up this. See when we hit equilibrium. So let's hop in right here. We'll journal this. 5-minute inverse. It looks better on the 4-minute, so I'm gonna just journal it like this. Sell a market. Save and journal. screenshot. Really high confidence. Delivery from 1 hour for value gap, 1 hour order block, premium, data lows below. We have London low below. SMT London high. Delivery from 4 hour for value gap. That was unfilled before. So now rebalanced. So yeah, delivery from a rebalance as well. 15 minute unfilled for value gap below. So yeah, this looks really good. Also, true day open below. So yeah, let's try it. Oh, and also that drawn liquidity external draw is below. Weekly sell side liquidity resting below. Obvious draw. So we'll try this. We're also going to journal the cons though, which is there were no trades going to be like 100% exactly what you want all of the time, and if it is, that's good, but here we don't have no internal SMT. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Like SMT right here would make this a lot better. But yeah, we'll try it. Yeah, stopped out. So it stopped out. Did look good, but we journaled it. Reason this failed, I think, was because I circled this here. There was no internal SMT here. So this high was not yet swept. We'll see if we get that now. Or maybe draw was just wrong. Asia high could have been the draw. Yeah. It's like Asia high could have been the draw. Yeah. Asia high draw. So wrong draw. So yeah, I do think that this was a good loss. Everything looked aligned here. This is the model that I always take. So you can see in the past, we've been catching dubs with the same model. A lot of these big trades were the same exact model. And yeah, it just did not play out here. I was looking for this at least to trade down towards this 15-minute unfilled for value gap. And yeah, that did not happen. Let's see a 5-minute here. Yeah, this was mechanical as well. We had sweep London, delivery off hourly fair value gap, delivery off hourly order block here. This wick was tapped here. Looks like we were just too bullish to even tap this 15-minute fair value gap. We're high in a premium, higher time frame, AMD model accumulation here as well. So yeah, I'm not bugging about this loss. I think this was a really good setup. But unlucky we couldn't at least get break even here at this unfilled 15-minute fair value gap. Trying to look and see if there was anything that I really missed. Other than there not being a SMT here as well, I think was the only thing that wasn't really aligned. No SMT internal here. If we look at the chart right there, there was not a SMT internally. But yeah, overall Still look really good, so not really tripping. We'll just go the next day. Alright, last day here. Friday, 8:30 news. Let's hop on the 15. Let's mark up session highs and lows. London low. Right there looks like an AMD higher time frame. Took out previous day high here. Took out Asia. See a daily. Actually, let's see. Above here. Did we take out this wick? We did not. Relative equal highs there. Let's hop on the daily. Unfilled daily gap. Looks like yes, took out this low now too. Holding this 4 hour. Unfilled 4 hour here. Can mark this up. Looks like we left these relative equal highs here. They're actually equal highs. Not exactly equal, but relative equal. Let's see, hourly. It's kind of like a breaker area here, tapping into. Type order blocks. Let's see, hourly. Tapped into this hourly for value gap here. Hourly bullish OP. Let's see a 15-minute. So let's mark this up on yes as well. Minute gap tapped. Alright, let's see how we open up. Also gonna mark up true day open real quick. True day open there below. So let's see how we open up right now. See if we got any equal highs. Equal highs here. The sell side above looks super obvious as a draw. Relative equal highs here left. Actually, maybe exactly equal. Actually, not exactly equal, but bullish to there. Alright, nice open into the 15-minute gap. 3-minute. Alright, 3-minute here. Bit high up, I don't like it. Alright, I'm gonna take a long now if we get an inversion. Let's see. My bad if you guys hear the Discord. It's kind of being kind of annoying right now. Alright, 48. 48. One more candle. Let's see if we get this inversion. 2-minute. Yo, please. Alright. Do have an inversion, little 2-minute gap. True day open tapped as well, which true day open I treat it as like a little, kind of like a range. So not exactly like, it doesn't have to tap exactly. So like true day open area was tapped. Call it that. TDO zone. Nice higher time frame SMT right there. However, did tap this 2-minute, which is sketching me out of this long, so I'm not gonna take it. Would just be breaking my rules since there are 2 gaps in this leg. However, it does look really good. I can't take it based on my rules, so I'm gonna stay disciplined, not gonna take it. I could definitely see it playing out, but it's alright. So if it fails, double discipline. But yeah, can't take it based on my rules. Tap that 2-minute. Yeah, this would have been TP1 break even. So let's see if we can get an entry. I still like the longs. See if we can form a 1-minute. We have a nice SMT at this low right now. I still like the long. Let's see if we can get entry here. Did leave this sell side though. Let's see if we take that. It's pretty far. In this 5-minute. Still have an SMT. Hourly fair value gap here holding. See if we can get along. Equal highs above, and I think this 4-hour sell, or wait, I marked it up as sell side. Buy side. I think that's the draw here. Equal highs here as well look good. I'll take this 5-minute 10-10. We'll try this. I don't like how we left these lows right here. Relative equal lows. Let's see a 15-minute. Also inverse this hourly bearish. Sketchy. So yeah, I'm not gonna take this long. Let's pull our FEB here. Did reject OTE, but hourly inversed. Leaving these relative equal lows, I just can't long with these. Would be breaking my rules. This long does look good, but I want to see a sweep, stop out anybody who went long here, and then give me my long. And that would be also a nice form of low resistance liquidity. So yeah, I want this to stop out, not taking it. And that's unfortunate. Oh wait, hold up. We just left triple equal highs. Alright. Could get a continuation here. Let's see, 42. But yeah, I hate how we left those lows. It's just not an SMT or anything, so not a good long for my model. So I'm fine with missing out on that. No SMT here. No SMT here. But I should run to this buy side here. See if we can hit it. Yeah, right there. Unfortunate, but yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, I hate how we left these relative equal lows, so it just wasn't a good long in my opinion. With these lows here, easily could have gone manipulated out and then the longs could have played. But looking at the higher time frame, OTE did hold nicely, so everything looked super good other than these relative equal lows. Just couldn't really long with that. I didn't like it. So yeah, it's alright. So yeah, overall slow week. We're down 1 hour. We pull this up right here. Down 1 hour here. And no trades. Nothing looked clean. Yeah, so just down 1 hour. Overall, on the month, I believe we might be like break even. We're still up 2R on the month, so unfortunate that we left those relative equal highs on Friday. Would have caught 2R, but it's all good. If I don't see exactly what I want to see, I'm not gonna take the trade, not gonna force anything, because if I would have lost there, I wouldn't be happy with myself. It would have been a bad loss. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys aren't subbed yet, make sure to hit that sub button. Damn, we just hit 700 subs on YouTube. Thank you guys for all the love. We were edging 700 before this. We were at like 689-ish, but damn, we just jumped up to 700. Thank you guys for all the love. Until next time, I'm gonna catch you guys. Also, let's go over these analytics real quick. I risk 0.5% per trade, by the way. And this month was really good. January plus almost 11R. Actually, around 11R, a little bit below, but like 10R. And right now, pretty much a break-even month, but plus 2R, still green. We have one more day on Monday. We'll see what we could do. But yeah, here's January. All I really need is a trade a day. 1 or 2 trades a day if the first one's break even. But yeah, that's really all that I need. And yeah, W backtesting. We're gonna keep doing this every single day. see you guys. I gotta make another one of these ICT speeches. You guys are showing love on that. Also, you guys like this video, the monthly review. So yeah, I'm gonna keep posting these every single day. Thank you guys for all the love. Till next time, peace.